us. So the first thing scholars teach us, and me and you, is you need to be happy. Actually, the first thing they say, يستقبل رمضان بالفرحة. You have to be happy. Why? Why it is happy? So you're looking at me. The more you know what is coming, the happier you are. It's not just a month of fasting, right? It's not just a month of fasting. For example, that's a hadith Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam said, and akhrajahu an-Nasa'i. He said, Atakum Ramadan. Ramadan is coming. Right? And now he's talking. Shahrun Mubarak. A blessed month, which we all know. طيب? One by one. So blessed month. فرض الله عليكم صيامه. He made fasting in this month, Ramadan, obligatory. So far, we know. Now coming. تفتح فيه أبواب السماء. The doors of the heavens will be opened. وتغلق فيه أبواب الجحيم. And the doors of heavens will be closed. Did I say Jannah? Oh, أعوذ بالله. Jahim, meaning the hellfire. جزاكم الله خير. وتغل فيه مردة الشياطين. The shayateen, not one, the devils and all the groups will be chained. لله فيه ليلة. In it, there's one night. خير من ألف شهر. Which you all know. So far, nothing new. And in it, there is a night. Whomsoever give it. That night is better than 1,000th night. Now something I need to remember. من حرم خيرها فقد حرم. Whomsoever will be deprived that night. And how many of us, the last 10 days of Ramadan, especially the odd nights, and let's assume the 25 or 27 or the 29th, and then that night I am dozing and sleeping. And that night I am extremely tired. That's the night that I cannot do. فَمَنْ حُرِمْ فَقَدْ حُرِمَ خَيْرُهَا. If I will be deprived from all the goodness this night will come, then I will be deprived. So the first thing I have to, the more I think of Ramadan, what it is bringing to me, the more I will be happy and I will glorify. That's the first thing, because we are so accustomed to it. I mean, how many years we've been fasting? 10, 15, 20, Allah knows. So it's usual. We don't look at it as something special spiritually. Yani for example, alhamdulillah, how many invitations for iftar you already got? Alhamdulillah, that means people are looking at it as a different, but that's not it. That's actually should be the least. I'm not saying this shouldn't be, but this is the least. As I am preparing for all this, I need to be prepared spiritually. Now look at the other hadith, which is marfu', meaning a sahabi have said it. It's probably from Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. And this is an Ubadah ibn Samit. Said, Atakum Ramadan. Ramadan is coming. Shahru barakah. It's a month of blessings. يغشاكم الله فيه. Allah engulf you, surround you in it. فينزل الرحمة. He sends His mercy. وتحط الخطايا. And all the sins will be removed or will be forgiven. ويستجاب or يستجيب فيه الدعاء. Allah accept, respond, grant what? Dua. A dua is supplication. Yeah, now here, this is new. ينظر إليه في تنافسكم فيه. He will look at how much you are competing in it. Competing in it, not competing in eating or drinking, for sure not competing in inviting and getting invited. تنافسكم فيه. He will look at how much I and you are competing. ويباهي فيكم ملائكته. And He will be boastful, subhanahu, in His majesty about what my servants are doing for me in this month in front of the angel. Now the order. فَأَرُوا اللَّهَ مِنْ أَنفُسِكُمْ خَيْرًا. Show Allah the best of you. Show Allah the best you have.